Hello, good morning, good afternoon to the teachers that are viewing this. My name is Mohammad Waris Ali. I study ethical hacking and cybersecurity in Softerica College affiliated with Coventry University London. And this video is regarding our coursework given to us by our teacher, lecturer, respected sir, Mr. Suman sir, Mr. Suman Shrestha. And the module name is Programming and Algorithms 2. One was studied in first year and this is our second year we are studying this. So let's begin with the video. So I will be explaining program introduction first and importance of the program. After that I'll show you and run the codes. Then we'll talk about the remediations and we'll conclude this video. So let's start with the video. This is the virtual machine in which I have done programming. It's okay. So let's start with the program introduction. I hope it's visible. Coursework 1 and Coursework 2. First we'll be discussing about Coursework 1. We can remove this package for now. Only remove then remove it. -rf is for removing it recursively and forcefully. This package folder is generated after we run our program for the history. And we'll also remove the encoded image. We will run it by using Python 3, which is the latest version of Python, and we'll run our code Stegnography, which was Stegnography. So this is the GUI of my code. And if you talk about the importance of this project, why is this Steganographer tool so important or necessary? As we know, in today's world, nothing is so secure. Even our mobile phones are listening to us, whatever we are speaking about. So even WhatsApp and all the messaging apps, they are also not so secure. They say it's end-to-end encrypted, but I doubt that. Let's hope that it's encrypted. But with this program, with this kind of programs, steganography tool or steganographer, whatever we might say it, we can communicate with each other secretly if it's a really important job. Normal chats, they don't matter if it's encoded or not, but if it's something personal, it's bank details, and in your bank account if you have a good amount of money, then this would be a good idea to share. This is a very good idea. Let's see, you'll understand. So this was the introduction to my program. Now I also told you the importance of it. Now we'll run the program and see. So we can encode and decode. My next party would also have this same app to decode it, or there are many other tools found which looks very nice, very good. Let's minimize it for good. So let's try to encode. Let's say my account number 232008900011321234. This is my account number, and my password is, let's say, var is space and on. This is my password. So let's encode the data in the form of an image. Let's encode it. So we have to search for a picture in this. So let's go searching for a picture. This is the another user, so the permission was denied. Right now I'm using the Kali user. Let's see, in desktop we have an image of lion.png. We can also install a new image. Let's get a new image, lion images. We can try with any other also as well. So let's do this. Let's save it first. Save image as for the video. Let's give this the name for the video and save it in desktop. Save this, and without wasting any time, let's go in coding. I have to write it again. Let's do account number and let's do password. Let's encode this data in a picture for the video. Open. Now we have to save the picture. In what format, in what name, like I have to send it to my teacher or to my friend. So let's say, so that he knows it's an encoded message. Let's say take care is the name of the encoded file. See, the encoded file is right here. Image encoded and saved successfully. Okay. Now if I share this file with someone through internet, nobody would know that this is an important message, important account number included in it. So let's try to decode it. It's a very important tool, by the way. We have to realize that it's a very important tool in today's world for sharing information, secret information, military information, and all. So let's decode it. And what was the name we kept? Take care. And we'll open it. So the message has been decoded. So this is my tool. Now I'm going to talk about how we can make this very nice, even better than this. For making it better, we can make this GUI a little different. If I had to steal and copy the codes of others, I would have made it a little bit or even more attractive. But I tried and learned my way. So this is what my GUI looks like. And if we want to see about the code, this was the one we previously did. If we want to see about the code, we can just go here. Let's close this, and if we want to exit, we can exit it from here too. So this has been exited. Let's clear the screen, and we can now Vim. Vim is a tool to see how's the code running and all. So I've imported Tkinter, which was important. So the Tkinter, this thing we have imported is as TK library for GUI and image processing. The program also incorporates a function data, which takes the text data and changes it into an 8-bit binary format. So as we can see, this would also change pixel values according to binary data in such a way that it may encode and hide information in the image. So other this pixel information, it iterates over each bit of the binary data and changes pixel value to either become even or odd depending on bit. There are cases, if elif cases in it. After it has changed and generated the pixel value, which can be encoded with a different message, because JPG, PNG pictures are compact. They don't have spaces to put anything new in it. But JPEG pictures are loose. We can insert anything. So for the sake of compression and decompression, the PNG format picture should be uncompressed, decompressed, and hidden message should be hidden inside of it. If you look further, this line, the encode ENC function encodes data into the image by modifying the pixels. Thus, in the process, it includes iteration over the coordinates. The select image function opens a dialog for the selecting an image file from which we can add and encode it. So these are some of the pictures. It's of 200 line code. I'll finally tell you what it does. Buttons, frames, these are extra. It populates buttons frames with 3 buttons: encode, decode, and exit. Each button is created with specific text command function to call encode, decode, and exit program. And styles in terms of font, foreground color. We can change any color. These are the codes of the color names, background color, and all, encoded text and all. And the GUI is based on Tkinter. So yes, this is the video for my code and explanation for it. My document was also ready. If you want to see final documents, the document must be right here. Coursework 1, Steganography 2. Document is also almost ready. Now we can see it like this. So yes, that's my time. Thank you for listening. And I have tried it. We can make it better if we give more time to it. I have just made a simple program so that everyone would be easily accessible to the program and they would learn from it. It's just a simple encoder and decoder, but it goes a long way. It has its own importance in it. Thank you so much.